let's do some eyeshadow. These are currently on sale. This is the Core Extension line from BK Beauty, and you get 4 brushes. This is kind of like an all over but a crease brush too, like if you want to do a wash of color. This is great for the crease. This one is good to kind of lay down color on the lid, and this one is for precise like shaping or even blending under the eyes. So the first one, this is the 212, and I'm just going to take it here. This is an e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to do a nice wash of color. I also like to use this to kind of fix any mistakes when I go with a deeper color, and I'll show you that. Next, I'm going to go in with this color here. It's a little bit dark, but because this is like fluffy, it's going to pick it up without putting it too harsh in the crease. And looking straight ahead, I'm just going to go back and forth. You can do windshield wiper motions. You can kind of do circular motions as well. Now, if you wanted a more pronounced crease, you can go with that little, oh, this was the 211, by the way. You can go in with the 210. This is like a mini pencil brush. Now, same shadow. If I go in, now I'm getting more pigment and color payoff because the brush is more dense. I can take this and run it underneath. And it helps to shape the eye. Now, the 209, this one is going to lay down color really good. So I say, let's do this color. And I'm just going to pick it up. And it's nice and small. So even if you don't have a lot of lid space, it's definitely going to pack that on really nice. Oops. You can take it up a little bit higher as well. So that's going to give you a nice color payoff because it's dense. Now, you're not totally tied to, this is only for putting this color here. If you want to, you can take that dark color and you can use this brush to kind of go back and forth. That's going to also put the color on nicely. So here's my rule when it comes to eyeshadow brushes or any brushes in general. If it fits in the area that you're trying to work with, use it that way. You know, this doesn't have to just be a crease brush. This doesn't have to just be shadow, like lay down color for the lower lid. You can literally use these for any part as long as it fits in the eyes. Great brush set.